Hello my hair warriors, it's me, Aaron O'Brien, your friendly neighborhood hairdresser. Today's videos are sponsored by my bestie friends, Lordhair.com, where you can purchase these fantastic, realistic hair systems. Today's video is quite an emotional one. It's about a guy called Tim, and he wants a big change. He's feeling down about himself, and we want to make sure that he feels great. So we're going to take him in here and transform him and just make him feel like $100. So here's Tim's story. Okay, so we're about to the big reveal, okay? You ready for it?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Can you believe it?
No.
It's like, who are you? Look at the sides, look. You look like you're in your 20s.
Oh my god, it's awesome.
You happy?
I'm beyond happy. Totally beyond. I can't even express it. Holy crow.
Holy crow.
Oh my god. Holy crow. Awesome.
Alright. Congratulations, you have hair. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to click the links below, and don't forget to subscribe and follow and all that good stuff. And don't forget to keep an eye out for all my fantastic videos. I hope you learned something, and I see you all soon. Bye.